Hi, we're going to do a quick training video on how to accept and reject comments in a Bluebeam session, as well as how to then print the accepted comments to a clean PDF. In general, we're going to be doing this with contract reviews, but you could also be doing this with drawing reviews. So looking at this document right here, we can see we have two paragraphs that have been crossed out. One of these we're going to accept as being crossed out. One we're going to reject, saying that it shouldn't have been crossed out. So this one we're going to say yes. Delays, we definitely are going to accept, meaning this should have been crossed out. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go down to set status, and I'm going to accept that. Now I'm accepting that it's crossed out. This one, subcontractor obligations, I'm going to say we shouldn't have crossed that out. I'm going to go ahead and reject that. Now, you're going to go through and you're going to do that with all of the comments that you have in the whole document. Now, what you're going to do, right over here, you have your filter button. This turns on all the different things that you can filter by. We're going to filter by status. And we want to filter so that we only see the accepted ones. So you can see now, I accepted this as being crossed out. This is gone. Oh, but it's not. You can see it's just grayed out. One of the features with Bluebeam is rejected ones still show up by default. They're just grayed out. We can change that in the settings, and we want to do that. So if we go up to preferences, go down to interface if you're not already there, go to markups list, make sure your markup annotation dim is turned down to 0. Now that'll make all of those go away entirely. So now your accepted will look normal. Everything else will be gone entirely. So just always make sure that's gone. From there, this is ready to be turned into a clean set that we can send to the customer. So we'll go to print. Make sure you have this set to whichever you use as your default for, PDF Exchange, Adobe PDF, whichever you use. We'll do a, PDF Exchange for this. Have it set to all your normal stuff. Hit print. We should get a little pop-up here just asking us where to save the new one. File 2. And now we have a clean set that we can save. And once we save this one, we can send this off to the customer. That's how we accept and reject comments, and save a clean PDF set of those accepted comments to save to the customer.